Let's learn real estate terminologies. Absolute deed of sale. A document that states that one property is transferring his real estate property rights to another. The deed proves the transfer, but if properly recorded with the country recorder, it serves to give other prospective purchasers notice that all the seller's rights in the property have now passed on to another property. An absolute sale deed is defined by having no conditions attached to the sale except the buyer's payment of the purchase price. When the seller signs and delivers the absolute sale deed, this is generally recognized by law as the moment of a sale. This is similar to a contract of sale where there are no conditions. Abstract of title. A condensed history of the title, consisting of the various links in the chain of title, together with a statement of all liens, charges, or encumbrance affecting a particular property. Abut. To touch or border on as a property abutting on a highway or sharing a common boundary with another property. Abutment. That part of a wall or pier on or against which an object abuts or pressures. That part which receives the pressure of an arc or struts as the support of either part of the bridge. Acceleration clause. A condition on the loan contract or mortgage note which permits the lender to require immediate payment of the entire balance if the contract is breached or conditions for repayment occur, such as sale or demolition. A clause in loan contract stating that upon the happening of a certain event, like failure to pay any installment due, shall make all the balance become immediately due and payable. Acceptance. When the seller or agent's principal agrees to the terms of the contract of sale and approves the negotiation on the part of an agent and acknowledges receipt of the deposit in subscribing to the agreement of sale. Acknowledgement. A formal declaration before a duly authorized office by a person who has executed an instrument that such execution is his act and deed. Accretion. The addition to land through process of nature, such as deposits of soil carried by streams. Act of God. An unpreventable destructive occurrence of the natural world. Actual use. In assessment and taxation of real property, this refers to the present or predominant utilization of the property. Acquired asset. Usually refer to real properties that were previously mortgaged to the bank, by which, because the owner failed to pay mortgage, the ownership of the property transferred to the bank through a judicial foreclosure proceeding. Acquired asset is also called foreclosed properties. Acquisition. The act or process by which a person procures property. Action to quiet the title. A court action to establish title and to remove the cloud on the title. Actual use. In assessment and taxation of real property, this refers to the present or predominant utilization of the property. Ad valorem, according to valuation. Administrator. A person appointed by the probate court to administer the estate of a deceased person. Adverse claim. A claim of person on property owned by another. Good only for 30 days No second adverse claim is allowed. Adverse possession. Right of an occupant of land to acquire title against the real estate owner. Possession has been actual, continuous, hostile, distinct, and in the concept of owner for the statutory period. Note: statutory period is 30 years. Adverse possession does not apply on lands titled under torrent system. Affidavit: a statement or declaration reduced in writing sworn to or affirmed before some officer who has authority to administer an oath or affirmation. Affirm: to confirm, to ratify, to verify. Agent: one who acts for and has the authority to represent another who is known as the principal. Age-life method: the method of estimating physical deterioration incurable as a percentage applied to current reproduction cost of the improvements. The percentage reflects the ratio of estimate effective age to typical anticipated economic life. The sum of the effective age plus estimated remaining economic life. Air rights: the right of the landowner to use and control the airspace over his land subject to the requirements of aerial navigation and other laws and regulations. Agreement of sale: a written agreement or contract between seller and purchaser, which they reach a meeting of the minds on the terms and conditions of the sale.